It's like, let me fight him. Let me fight him.
God, I want an old guy.
This There goes the Mustang, off to the races. It really is. I wish this highway was more empty, because imagine like the cinematics you can get with the sun setting over there. That'd be so nice. That's what Cali has a lot of too. I feel like they have a lot of cinematic places. And then when you're old enough, we can all go to Vegas. I mean, I don't even care about going into casinos and stuff. I just want to go, yeah, I want to go ride the bikes, take pics, just explore. Because I've only been in Vegas like once or twice, and that was for soccer tournaments when I, I was with my mom. I think it would be fun to see like one of those like night shows where you just like they give you like soup to eat with your hands, and they just like fight. Yeah, that'd be kind of fun. Uh-oh, who'd they pull over? A car. Up. There's so many of them. They're all on the other side though, luckily. Knock on wood. Knock knock. I know, it's kind of scary. I'm like, please don't get me. Shh, they don't know how to know. I don't think they care about bikers unless you're going over 100. Yeah. Otherwise, it just looks normal. Like the normal Arizona speed. Oh, yep, that feels nice to put my legs down. Did you buy a new lever with your cycle gear order? No. 300? It's not that much. I guess if you buy it from the website. Yeah. That's fair. That's what I want too. Honey, I'm home. Did you miss me? They're like, what the fuck? At the light, boys. That's the gas station. Looking at the wheels, and I'm like, I don't know if that was an R7 or Aprilia. Wait. What? I always go this way. I mean, it says do not enter, but... Yeah, that's what I was saying. Oh, it looks like they have a stunt show. Maybe the Joker's gonna come back like they did last year. Boop. Make sure the kickstand stays down.
Yeah,
You can get it tinted yellow, maybe.
I don't like it yellow.
Yeah.
I don't think I would.
But again, a Gixxer that's tinted. I always like a Yoshi Yamura exhaust.
Joker, Harley Davidson. What do you guys say out there? Y'all having fun? Yeah, doesn't sound like it. Y'all having fun out there? Alright. Here we go. Off to a slow start on the free bike. Flipping the throttle, look out! That means go.
It's like, let me fight him. Let me fight him.
God, I want an old gsxr like that. So,
Nah, new gen.
no, old gen.
The only thing better about the Ogen is the rev limiter light.
Just blow up the look.
Is that a Ducati SP V4? Right here, right next to the guy with the little jumpsuit. I'm gonna walk around them.
Oh, hi, how are you?
See, I don't know if I like those. The words, the light as much as the ones they have now.
The black one is
Sorry
sick.
about that. OAC bike night.
Yeah.
All of you guys that like hot.
That makes sense. I'm retarded. Ooh. Stretched what?
R1, I think. Old R1.
Yeah, I think you're right. Has it got like blood on the tank?
Is that blood?
Is that blood on the tank from all those victims? Let me see. Is it an old R1? Yeah, I think so.
I saw it on the
The whole ABS wiring, I think, on the out. Let's go back to here and then go back. So we can see all the bikes.
Oh, that'd be funny watching them in the I need some more inspo for my bike.
I know, that's why I like walking around like, what can I change? What more can I buy? I would never do underglow. What Gixxer is this?
The older one is like the same as like the one that Thomas
Thomas
has,
just
like
bought?
the 07.
Yeah. That looks clean for being like 20 years old.
Yeah, as long as you keep hair bit.
That's why I like a gloss finish better.
Hey, it's my bike.
Maybe that's one I saw earlier.
This 600.
Otherwise, I'm just gonna make up what you look like, and that ain't gonna be fun to do for everybody else. So, come on over here, you guys. Let's get signed up and let's get this going. We are going to give away some free shit, so come on down.
I need to get the vlog off here. It's like ASAP.
Here's another one. The scratch marks?
The scratch marks.
Oh, does that have Harley Quinn on it too? No. I'm not a monster.
The mat.
I'm just ahead of the curve. Alright, phone, wallet. Hey, he's doing wheelies. Hey, yo. Oh my god. overstimulation. Oh, that's a hill. He just hit the curb. Did you see that? Oh, can we not get on the highway? Fuck. But don't we need to go left then? Anyways? Yeah. Damn, all this construction's making all the traffic come this way. I wonder if the highway's closed. There you go. Cool beans. Oh, I forgot I was in first gear. Damn, this road's bumpy. Ba-ba-da-ba. How did that used to go? Miss the good old rain rot. No, not all this new age 6.7 and other stuff. Oh, that's something in the road. Nice, he avoided it. That was nice. You doing good? You doing good? Yeah. You want to race him? I was gonna see the Corvette. I mean, we can if you want. She won. Bow down. Bow. Bow. Damn, look at Phoenix. That looks nice. Look at those biceps. Damn! I said, look at those damn biceps. Look at strong. Pose, pose, pose. Hit the pose. Yeah. Woohoo! Yes, ma'am. Yeah, this is so much fun. I wish we could just get like an open track to ourselves and just like Just get some clips of straight line pulls and maybe some curves. Uh-oh. One, two, three, four. There's no bikes at least.